I gotta get into gear. Where's my apparatus? Damn, I left it on the floor. Let me just wipe off the dust. Do I need an enslickening formula for my chamber? No, why did I even ask? I know I don't. Let's see how long it takes to break to 70 again.